Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. My last video was Harry Potter Printables Volume 5, which included a single page from Gilderoy Lockhart's test from Defense Against the Dark Arts. And I decided, why not go ahead and just make the entire test? So this video, we're going to be making Gilderoy Lockhart's test. It's a complete test with 54 questions. So go ahead and check out the description box below for the supplies you're going to need to make this DIY, as well as a link to the free downloadable templates. And let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is download and print the free templates. I printed these on 11 by 17 paper because I wanted mine a little bit larger, but you can print the 8.5 by 11 size templates. They'll just turn out a little bit smaller. And the 8.5 by 11 templates can be printed on A4 paper, and the 11 by 17 templates can also be printed on A3 paper. Make sure that you print these double-sided. I printed mine just on regular white paper. So what you want to do is just line these up, and then you're going to take a couple of paper clamps and clamp the pages together so that they stay together as we cut them. Now, as you can see, I have put just 3 paper clamps on mine, and then I'm going to use a ruler and X-Acto knife to trim off all of the white space from around them. You may have to go over it more than once to get through all of the pages. Now you should end up with 3 pages, all double-sided. The very last page should have Gilderoy Lockhart's logo on it, and there should be 54 questions. I'm also going to include a version that has Hermione's answers in here. So some of them I had to make up because I didn't know what she answered all 54 questions as. But the first page at least is all the answers that were in the movie. And I watched this scene kind of over and over again, trying to figure out what they were fastened together with, because it wasn't a staple, and from what I could tell, it wasn't a paper clip either. So the closest thing I could find are these paper fasteners, just these bronze paper fasteners. So I got a package of these to fasten the pages together with. So if you can tell me that, like, if it wasn't a paper fastener and you know what it was that these pages were fastened together with in the movie, definitely let me know in the comments, and I will be very grateful to you. Now we're going to want to stack and line these up again. I'm going to clamp mine together with the paper clamp just to make sure that they don't move around while I do this. And then I'm going to take the paper fastener and I'm just going to poke it through the corner right up here, this top right corner. There we go. And then once it's through, you should be able to just bend these 2 edges over, and it stays in the paper like this. And then at this point, you are done making the test. You can make a few of these to have people fill out at a party, maybe, and I think the answers would be hilarious to read. And yeah. If you want to win the Gilderoy Lockhart test that I made in this video today, go ahead and check out the description box. You'll find a link to the weekly giveaway. Down there, you're also going to find a link to the 20K giveaway. And this giveaway is for a Muggle Magic mystery box. And inside this box, there is going to be a full-size Marauders map, a Quibbler, as well as 5 mystery items. And a few of these are going to be things that I've done in the past in some of my videos, but there are going to be a couple that are completely unreleased DIYs of mine, and I'm not going to release the videos for these until after the box is won. We are up to 19,000 subscribers on the channel, so 20,000 is not that far away. So if you want a chance at winning this Muggle Magic mystery box, make sure that you enter the giveaway. The link again is in the description box below. And now to announce the winner of my last giveaway, which was a customized Hogwarts student ID. And the winner is Sebastiano Di Laborio. Congratulations, and I've sent you an email with instructions on how you can claim your prize.
Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.